was November 25th, and I remember the day I stopped drinking. I said, just I'm done. It wasn't, and I drank my whole life, and then I quit that day. Just said, I'm done. I really want to be great. Now, being great means I truly have to love myself and be awesome. So when I saw that, I said, wait a second. I'm going to put myself on the opposite scale, and I'm going to be healthy. I'm going to eat diet. It was all about how do I make that change and switch the mind on to do that. And then it was like, all right, I'm going to hire a trainer. So the mindset, and said the bodybuilding became a job. Then all of a sudden the workout became the job. So what I had to do is say, how do you replace drinking with fitness? Well, you have to replace the time, because drinking takes up a lot of time. Boy, do you become productive. So I pulled that out, and then what I did is that all my workouts had to be done during work hours. And then I wanted to compete in bodybuilding because now it became the mind. Okay, you have to lose from 240 pounds to 161 to compete to compete. Then you have to build muscle. There's a whole mindset to that, and your food, your sleep, everything has to be dialed in. And it's not a diet; it's a lifestyle. So that particular point, that became, wait a second, if I can really dial myself in on the mindset of fitness, I can dial myself in on any business, anything that I'm doing already. I'm already doing it, but now let's be hyper focused. Let's be obsessed with it. What does it take to truly be obsessed? And actually, it was all about that internal focus and being great.